Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you tired of messy laundry spaces? Well, if you have this beautiful counter from Nedura, you'll not only have a functional space, but also a beautiful one. You don't need any tools to put this together. It has grooves that are made with the corresponding sides, and it literally took me 5 minutes to put it together. Once you have it together, it fits across your front opening, washer, and dryer. It fits across beautifully. You can see that it automatically makes a super functional counter. They even included Velcro so that you can ensure that it will stick to the top, and you have anti-vibration pucks that you can put under your washer and dryer if needed. Now, as far as the counter space itself, first of all, I love that it fits all of my laundry detergents and everything that I use when I do my laundry. But even though you have all of that on there, it has plenty of space so that you can have a work area as well. I pull my clothes out of the dryer and I can dry them here. I feel like I honestly work at a laundromat, but I'm always doing laundry anyways. So why not go with a functional, beautiful space like this that helps me to be able to do it better? The sides provide lots of protection, so I don't have to worry about anything slipping behind. So that is an awesome feature as well. If you're looking to take a chaotic space and make it look pretty and functional, then this counter is going to do exactly that. The bamboo wood is waterproof, so you can put wet clothes on there or your dry clothes, but automatically you have a beautiful work area for your laundry space. And that's just my point of view.